As you, I think, all are aware, my name is Audrey and I'm the Project Officer or Coordinator for SBLi. Today what we're going to be talking about is basically, where SBLi is, how we use it, how you guys have been using it, and just have a basic discussion. It's a really informal kind of way to help maybe bring out ideas, see how other people have been using it, and where we can go forward and try and really just develop SBLi as a learning tool that each person can actually help each other. So what we're going to start with today is basically go through the CBIT news and what's happening with SBLi, and Geoff will be taking care of that. We're then going to move to a case study of Sherwood. So he's done a business statistics scenario, so we're going to show sort of the life of how he developed his scenario. And then we'll open it up to a floor discussion and see what other people have been doing, any kind of impediments or successes that you've had, anything that you'd like to discuss, and maybe just share with the audience. And then we'll just briefly discuss what you'd like to get out of it, what we can possibly talk about at the next time we have a meeting, how often we'd like to have a meeting, etc. So if I could start by getting you all to introduce yourself, if we just go around this way. Just say who you are, what discipline you're involved in, and whether you've used SBLi. I think that would be a good start.
At the Gatton campus. I teach primarily equine studies, and I must admit that I haven't actually used SBLi, so that's why I'm here to find out a little bit more about it and whether it can be used in our disciplines within the School of Animal Studies, as I'm chair of the Teaching and Learning Committee.
Right, great.
I'm Enrique, I'm with CBIT, and I'm the developer of SBLi.
I'm Leslie Fleming. I'm a student, I was a student at Leslie, Jolly and of Jane Keogh. I'm a specialist teacher at St Edmunds College for children with a range of learning disorders. With the new push for universally designed curriculum and access to the curriculum, we're looking at a way for our young lads to access learning curriculum and assessment in particular that best suits their needs. We're finding that most of the young people coming into our college now are almost illiterate, which is quite significant, particularly for the area of Ipswich. So next year we have 64 children identified in Year 8 with significant literacy issues, so I need to find something for them to access the curriculum. So I was thinking of this.
Lynn?
I'm Lynn Aitken. I'm with the Legal Services Commission, not with any university whatsoever. We've done 4 scenarios on legal issues, just trying to convey a sense of what it's like to be in legal practice and sorts of ethical dilemmas that come up to help people look at that to problem solve.
Geoff Marks from Population Health. I haven't used SBLi, but I was involved with somebody, went along to some of the original presentations. So I'm sort of aware of general features, but I'm interested to see where it's gone.
Right.
And some specific case studies. We're in the middle of thinking about redeveloping a couple of new courses for next year, and I guess looking at